Let's solve one previous question of set theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2012, question number 37. How many onto or surjective functions are there from an n elements n greater than equals to 2 set to one 2 element set, and 4 options are given. This question is from function. I already discussed function during lecture. Just go through the lecture. It's asking number of onto functions possible from a set having n elements to another set 2 elements. Means we need to find the number of onto function from A to B. A cardinality equals to n, B cardinality equals to 2. I already discussed a formula during lecture that if A cardinality equals to m and B cardinality equals to n, the number of onto functions possible equals to n power m minus nc1, n minus 1 power m plus nc2, n minus 2 power m minus nc3, n minus 3 power m, like this, minus 1 power n, nc n minus 1, 1 power m. And here m should be greater than n. Here this n value is greater than equals to 2, so we can apply this formula. Now in place of n we'll write 2, and in place of m we'll write n, as A cardinality equals to n and B cardinality equals to 2. So in place of m we'll write n, and in place of n we'll write 2. So it will be 2 power n minus, then in place of this n we'll write 2c1, then 2 minus 1 power n. So 2 power n, 2c1, it's 2 minus 2, 2 minus 1, it's 1, 1 power n, it's 1. So 2 power n minus 2. It's present in option C. So answer will be option C, 2 power n minus 2. This is a easy question if you know this formula. So remember this formula, I already discussed this during the lecture. Just go through the lecture. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.